Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a cartwheel. Now I already know I have done a tutorial on how to do a cartwheel already, but it wasn't as effective, so I'm going to do one that has a higher chance of you learning it. So let's get started with the video. Before a tutorial, it is always important to warm up and stretch. If you do not warm up and stretch, you can seriously injure or hurt yourself by pulling a muscle or breaking a bone. So make sure you are warmed up and stretched. To follow along to one of my warm-up routines, go ahead and click on the I button above. And same with a warm-up routine, it is very important to fully stretch before you learn something. Stretching can increase the chance of learning something. For your cartwheel, it is very important that you have a handstand. Make sure that in your handstand, your arms are fully straight and you can go all the way up. As you can see, there are many different positionings in a cartwheel. For the very first positioning in the cartwheel, you will have one foot in front and your arm should be straight up. For the second position, both hands should be on the ground and the back leg should be starting to kick up. For the third position, both feet are off the ground in a straddle position. For the fourth position, one leg should be on the ground and the other leg should be in the air. For the last position, both feet should now be on the ground and your hands are back up. Now that you saw the positions, it's time to attempt the cartwheel. If you're having trouble completing the cartwheel, there are many tips and tricks. The first one you can do is try to use a wall to get over in the cartwheel. And you can also use a spot. You can also use different speed variations to help you complete the cartwheel. Also, in your cartwheel, make sure you are performing the trick in a straight line. Also, make sure your hands are up and your legs are straight in the cartwheel, whether it's the starting position, the middle position, the second position, close to the fourth position, and the ending position. Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video, and I hope you guys followed along to this tutorial. And if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and look below the video, and if you see a red subscribe button, be sure to make it gray. Also, do me a huge favor by clicking the bell so you get post notifications every time I post a new video. If you want to see my previous video, go ahead and click the video here. And if you want to see a random tutorial to follow along to, go ahead and click the video here. I hope you guys have a great day and make sure to stay beyond the limits.